Hi, Adrian here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate profit margin on your product, and I will hop in my computer and I'll show you live how I do that, so stay tuned for that. Okay, here in my computer, um, yeah, like I said, show you how to calculate profit margin, which is very simple if you have a computer, but if you are out there searching for item, you can just come with the app and it'll be so. First of all, if you have to go in Amazon fee calculator, so it's pretty straightforward, and this is the page that will appear to you, and I'll show you one of my products here, which I sold. I've been very successful selling this, and if you want to see how I source this product, I'll put a link here in the corner, so you can click that and see how I source this product. So basically what you have to do is take the ASIN, which is up here, and copy, and you paste it in here. Okay, so the item price. If I go to orders, I go here, and because this was I ship it myself, not FBA. So if I go here in general, you can see the price that it's been sold. So 369, 324, 320, 344, 324. So let's say in average, you see here is a bit lower because of too much competition, to be fair, because everybody doing the same thing. As soon as you find a product, everybody jumps on that product. So wherever, let's say 324, 325 an average price for this product. So we can input here if okay, 325. So shipping, we didn't charge any shipping to the customer, so yeah. Okay, fulfillment cost, so labor, I don't know, I don't put any labor. Packaging material, this actually I have for free. I mean, the item is already packaged, so I didn't spend any money on this. Customer service, nothing. Shipping was around £50 to ship this out. Monthly storage cost per unit, again I don't have any monthly storage for this product. I keep it in my home, so I don't know if you have monthly storage for your product, you add it here. Cost of product, so we buy it for £132. So well, on this side will be Amazon fulfillment, so I don't put nothing because I ship it by myself. This is too big to ship it to the Amazon warehouses and make it FBA. It's not very convenient to do that. So yeah, how you can see here, it's 29% profit margin. So actually it's very good, this profit. It's very good profit. It's £94 profit. I'm very happy with this. We sold like how many we sold? Like 11 of these. So 11 times 94, 25 equals, so £1,035 profit. And how much? 1 week, less than one. Actually, kind of 2 weeks. It take me like 2 weeks to sell this, because here's the point: to be able to sell this such a high prices when you buy it for only 132. It's supply. It's supply. So I price it higher. I wait for my competitor to sell it for cheap, and when was any of them left from nobody else, I was the only one having it, and basically people were forcing to pay this price because There's none of them left. I'm the only one having it. So yeah, this is one trick we can do to sell at higher price. But overall, yeah, happy with the margin, happy with the profit. Let's try another product. I give you an example with an FBA product. So let's see this with an FBA. So for example, this one. Again, I'll copy the ASIN and try another product. I'll paste in here. Okay, define the product. This is it. Item price, I sell it for 209. Actually, I fulfilled here, so 209 in both cases. On this one, I think I paid. So let's do here. Shipping to customer. This will not gonna cost more than £5. Ship to Amazon. This I pay like £1 per unit. And the cost of the product I think was 1/3. So yeah, you'll see in both case scenario what you'll get. This is Amazon, this is fulfilled by yourself. By the way, if those product wasn't Amazon, you'll take it way longer to sell it, because people buy from Prime, and yeah. So how you can see, revenue 209, fees, they are the same. Cost of fulfillment was, let's say, around £5. This fulfillment by Amazon fee, so it's actually cheaper to fulfill by Amazon. So even with the shipping to Amazon, £1, I'll get cheaper fulfillment from Amazon. Okay. Monthly storage cost per unit, so 11p per month, so which is nothing. Instead of having a lot of boxes in your houses, you ship it there for 11p a month. It is nothing. So, and let's say, how many do I have of this? I have 17. Actually, I got, I think, 19 units. So let's see, 19 units. A little bit from profit, but okay, let's say I sell 19 units a month, and this will be net profit 1,152. Yeah, they will. This is revenue, cost, sell proceeds, and net profit. This is fulfilled by Amazon. This is by yourself. Usually, I get more profit margin if I fulfill by myself, but in this case apparently it's better to have it on Amazon. So yeah, pretty much it. So yeah, this is it. You copy the ASIN and you find out your profit. As simple as that. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And also, if you want to follow me on my social media, I'll put links down below with my Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me there, shoot me a DM, ask this one question. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.